It's a bright and busy morning at the railway yard, where a special team is coming together to fix the tracks and get the trains rolling again. Rolling in with a cheerful clatter comes the blue crane, shining in the sunlight and beeping a happy hello. The crane is always ready for a big job, with tall arms and sturdy hooks that can lift and carry even the heaviest rails. Its engine hums softly as it parks near the broken tracks, eager to help. With a friendly wave, the crane announces, "Hello, I'm the crane. I can lift heavy pieces of track and place them where they belong. Let's get to work." The crane's long arm stretches out, and with a gentle clank-clank of metal, it hooks onto the old bent rails. Slowly and carefully, the crane lifts each damaged piece, swinging it off the track and setting it aside. The job takes patience and care, and the crane makes sure not to bump or drop anything. The sound of machinery, mixed with fun music, fills the air, making the hard work feel like a team dance. Next, the crane reaches over to a stack of shiny new rails. With a steady grip, it lowers them into place, lining them up perfectly so the trains can run safely and smoothly. Each rail lands with a satisfying clank, and the crane's face beams with pride. Step by step, the track begins to look new again. The crane is strong and steady, always making sure that the rails are set just right so the trains will have a safe path to travel. Just as the last rail is lowered, there's a rumble behind the crane. Rolling in with a big smile and bright yellow paint, the excavator arrives, ready to lend a helping scoop. The excavator's arm is strong and flexible, perfect for digging and clearing away anything that might get in the way of the new tracks. Its bucket moves up and down with a cheerful thud-thud, scooping up dirt, rocks, and old gravel. The excavator calls out, "Hi, I'm the excavator. I'll dig and clear the ground so the tracks are strong and safe." With each scoop, the excavator makes sure the ground beneath the rails is smooth and sturdy, removing any loose stones or clumps of earth. The digging sounds mix with the music, turning each thud-thud and scrape-scrape into a joyful rhythm. The excavator works carefully, making sure the track bed is level and clean, so the trains will have a strong foundation to travel over. Sometimes the excavator finds big rocks or tangled roots, but nothing is too tough for its sharp bucket. With a determined push, it digs out every obstacle, leaving behind fresh, packed earth ready for the tracks. The other vehicles cheer as the excavator finishes its job, knowing that the new rails will be safe and secure thanks to the careful digging. As the excavator backs away, another friendly vehicle rolls onto the scene. A shiny red maintenance truck, packed full of tools and supplies. The truck's toolbox rattles and its headlights flash as it pulls up beside the new rails, ready to finish the job. The maintenance truck is always prepared, with wrenches, nuts, bolts, and welding gear, making sure every part of the track is tight and strong. "Hello, I'm the maintenance truck. I've got nuts, bolts, and tools to tighten everything up," the truck announces. With quick, skilled moves, the maintenance truck gets to work. Its mechanical arms reach out, picking up bolts and lining them up along the rails. With a click-click, the bolts are twisted tight, locking the rails into place. Then, with a zzz, the welding tool flashes, sealing the joints and making sure the rails are joined together securely. The maintenance truck checks every part of the track, making sure nothing is loose or wobbly. It uses its tools with care, tightening and testing until everything is just right. The sounds of clicking bolts and buzzing welders blend with the happy music, showing that even the smallest parts matter when building something strong. Finally, after all the hard work, the track is complete. The crane, excavator, and maintenance truck line up side by side, smiling proudly at the shiny new rails stretching across the yard. They know that each part of the job was important, and that working together made the job go smoothly. The crane lifts its arm in a friendly wave, the excavator raises its bucket, and the maintenance truck flashes its lights. It's time to celebrate. The crane announces with excitement, "The tracks are ready!" The excavator chimes in, "All clear and safe!" And the maintenance truck adds, "Let's bring back the train!" Their voices ring out with pride and joy, echoing across the yard. Just then, the passenger train appears in the distance, its engine gleaming and its whistle blowing a cheerful toot toot. The train rolls closer, slowing down as it reaches the new tracks. Passengers lean out the windows, waving and smiling at the hard-working team. Everyone is excited to travel on the new, safe rails. The train glides smoothly over the track, thanks to the cranes lifting, the excavators digging, and the maintenance trucks fixing. The wheels roll with a gentle clickety-clack, and the passengers cheer as the train picks up speed. The team of vehicles beams with pride, knowing their teamwork made it all possible. The narrator's voice is warm and happy, saying, "Thanks to teamwork, the train can travel again. Hooray!" The music swells, and everyone celebrates the new beginning. The crane, excavator, and maintenance truck know that when friends work together, they can do anything. The train whistles one more time, and the passengers wave goodbye as they head off on their journey, traveling safely and happily on the new tracks. And so, in the busy railway yard, the story of teamwork and friendship reminds everyone that big jobs are easier when everyone helps. The vehicles rest for a moment, ready for their next adventure, knowing that together they can build, fix, and create wonderful things. The day ends with smiles and laughter, and the promise that whenever there's work to be done, the team will be there to lend a helping hand.